Are you looking for the best thermal camera zero? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best thermal camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. NOYAFA NF521. The NOYAFA NF521 is a handheld infrared thermal imager designed for industrial and home inspection applications, such as detecting floor heating systems, electrical faults, and vac issues. It features a 32 by 32 thermal resolution, 1024 pixels, with a temperature measurement range of -10 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius and a basic accuracy of ±2% or ±2.0 degrees Celsius. The device merges visible and infrared images, allowing users to identify hot and cold spots effectively. It also supports color palettes like ironbow, iridescence, and grayscale for enhanced visualization. The NF521 is equipped with a 2-megapixel visible light camera and a 2.4-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels. It is powered by a 3.7V 2600 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery, providing portability and convenience for fieldwork. The device includes an 8GB microSD card for storing thermal images in BMP format and supports dual-language display, Chinese and English. It also offers adjustable emissivity settings, 0.1 to 0.99, and a response time of 150 milliseconds. Number 2. MILC TR10 Infrared Thermal Camera. The MILC TR10 is a budget-friendly handheld thermal imaging camera designed for various applications, including leak detection, electronics repair, and general maintenance inspections. It features a 240 by 240 pixel infrared resolution and a 25 Hz refresh rate, providing clear and smooth thermal images. The camera has a temperature measurement range of -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, with an accuracy of ±2 degrees Celsius or ±2%, whichever is greater. Its thermal sensitivity is less than 50 mK, allowing for precise detection of temperature variations. Equipped with a 2.8-inch color LCD display, the TR10 offers a wide 50 degrees x 50 degrees field of view, making it suitable for capturing large areas during inspections. The camera includes features like auto hot, cold spot tracking and 8 color palettes to enhance image analysis. It is powered by a 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing up to 8 hours of continuous operation. Additionally, the TR10 has 8 GB of internal storage, capable of holding over 30,000 images. Its rugged design includes an IP54 rating and drop resistance up to 1.5 meters, 4.9 feet, ensuring durability in various environments. Number 3. HABOTEST HT821A Thermal Camera. The HABOTEST HT821A is a rugged and affordable handheld thermal imaging camera designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It boasts a temperature measurement range of -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of ±2 degrees Celsius or ±2%, making it suitable for various applications such as leak detection, plaque inspections, and electronics repair. The camera features a 320 by 240 pixel infrared resolution, providing clear thermal images. Built to withstand harsh environments, the HT821A is waterproof, dustproof, and drop-resistant, ensuring durability during fieldwork. It is equipped with an 8 GB internal storage to save thermal images and supports USB connectivity for data transfer. The camera also offers multiple color palettes to enhance image analysis. Number 4. MILC TR256E Thermal Camera. The MILC TR256E is a versatile handheld thermal imaging camera designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts engaged in tasks such as PCB repairs, pipeline diagnostics, and general maintenance inspections. It features a 256 by 192 infrared resolution, delivering clear thermal images with a 50 Hz refresh rate for smooth real-time monitoring. The device offers a temperature measurement range from -20 degrees Celsius to 350 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 662 degrees Fahrenheit, with an accuracy of plus or minus 2% or plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius, and a thermal sensitivity of less than 40 mK, enabling the detection of subtle temperature variations. Equipped with a 2.8-inch LCD display, 320 by 240 resolution, the TR256E provides a user-friendly interface for viewing thermal images. It supports 5 color palettes to enhance image contrast and analysis. The camera is powered by a 5000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, offering up to 12 hours of continuous operation, and includes microSD card storage for saving thermal images. Additionally, the TR256E features a built-in LED flashlight for improved visibility in low-light conditions and supports USB connectivity for real-time image projection and offline analysis via PC. Number 5. Guide PC200 Thermal Camera. The Guide PC200 is a versatile handheld thermal imaging camera designed for professionals in construction, HVAC, and electronics repair. It features a 256 by 192 infrared resolution with a 12 micrometers pixel pitch, delivering clear thermal images. The camera supports real-time super-resolution reconstruction, upgrading to a 512 by 380 for resolution for enhanced detail. With a wide field of view of 56 degree x 48 degree, it ensures comprehensive coverage during inspections. The PC200 offers a temperature measurement range of minus 20 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius and 0 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, with an accuracy of plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius or plus or minus 2%, whichever is greater. It includes multiple image modes such as IR, VIS, MIF, and PIP, and provides 8 thermal color palettes for versatile analysis. The camera is equipped with a 2.4-inch LCD display and has built-in 16GB storage for saving thermal images. Connectivity options include USB-C and a tripod socket. Additionally, the PC200 features Wi-Fi capabilities for real-time image and video transmission. Designed for durability, the Guide PC200 is IP54 rated, offering protection against dust and water splashes, and can withstand drops from up to 2 meters. It provides approximately 11 hours of continuous operation on a single charge, making it suitable for extended fieldwork.